Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. So, I am here today according to the direction of our headmaster. Our institution has arranged online classes for you considering the corona pandemic. So, now I am here in front of you to teach a very good and very much important lesson, and that is beneficial to you. My today's topic is answering questions from passage. At first, you have to comprehend the passage which will appear in your question paper. You have to understand the meaning, you have to understand the summary of the passage. Then you will be able to make the answers of those questions from your question paper. So at first you have to know the meaning of these words, and these words are called WH words because these words are started with W and H. That's why these words are called WH words. So to make the answers of those questions in your question paper, you have to know the meaning one by one. Otherwise, it will not be possible to make the answers at all. So, I think you should learn or memorize the meaning of these 8 words. The first one is what. What. What means ki. When means kokhon. Which means konti. Where means kothay. Who means ke. How means kemon othoba koto. Why means keno. Whom means kake. So if you want to answer the questions, you have to learn these meanings of the word step by step, and then you will be able to make the answers perfectly. So now I will teach you how you will make the sense of those questions which will appear in your question paper. So first of all, I would like to make an example here to make the thing very much lucid in front of you. So my first example is if I say what is your roll number. You can see here is a question, and I said here that what is your roll number. I think you understand what I am saying here. What means ki. So the meaning of this question will be তোমার roll number কত বা কি। আমি যদি এইভাবে বলি তাহলে how will you answer the question? The answer will be very simple, and the answer will be, if you say in your own way, that the answer will be my roll number is 65 or any other digit. Okay, so my next question is when do you get up? So here is a question also, when do you get up? So if we guess the meaning of the question, and the meaning will be in Bengali, when do you get up, that means তুমি কখন ঘুম থেকে উঠো. So the answer will be very simple. You may say I get up at 6 o'clock, I get up at 5 o'clock, or whatever else you can say. Then my next question is which pen do you want? Now the meaning of this question is কোন কলমটা তুমি চাও. So you can guess the answer obviously, and the answer will be suppose there are many kinds of pen, red, blue, black, etc. etc. So which pen among the 3, which pen do you like, who you want? Obviously we will say I want the red one, or I want the blue one, or I want the black pen. Thus you will answer the question. Number 4, where do you live. This question is very much easy and its meaning is তুমি কোথায় থাকো অথবা তুমি কোথায় বাস করো। তো লিভ অর্থ হচ্ছে বাস করা, ভাইয়ের মানে হচ্ছে কোথায়। তাহলে এই দুইটা ওয়ার্ডের মিনিং যদি আমরা বলতে পারি তাহলে অবশ্যই প্রশ্নের মিনিংটা বুঝতে পারবো। তাহলে বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি যে তুমি কোথায় থাকো। অবভিয়াসলি দ্য আনসার উইল বি ভেরি মাচ ইজি ফর ইউ। সো you can say I live in Kustia, I live in Dhaka, etc., etc. Okay, my next question is who is your favorite poet? Then you can make sense of this question by this word and by this word. Who means কে, poet means কবি, favorite হচ্ছে প্রিয়। তাহলে বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি তোমার প্রিয় কবি কে, who is your favorite poet? Obviously you can answer. So the answer would be maybe the Kazi Nazrul Islam is my favorite poet, Rabindranath Tagore is my favorite poet, Joshimuddin, or whoever, maybe whoever you like, you can say. Then how old are you? This question also very much easy to understand. How old are you? প্রথমে জানতে হবে হাউ এর অর্থ কি। হাউ এর অর্থ হচ্ছে কেমন, কত। এখন আমি যদি বলি ওল্ড মানে বয়সের কথা এখানে বলা হয়েছে, তাহলে বয়স কেমন তো বলা যাবে না, বয়স কত বুঝতে হবে। তাহলে এখানে উত্তর করাটা অনেক সহজ হয়ে যাবে। তাহলে কি বলবে যে আই অ্যাম 13 years old or I am 16 years old. Okay, how old are you? I am 16 years old or I am 13 years old. Whatever you are, your age is, you can say here. Okay, so next, why do you come to school? We know the meaning of this school word. School means বিদ্যালয়, কাম মানে আসা, ভয় মানে কেন। তাহলে আমরা অবশ্যই বুঝতে পারছি কেন তুমি স্কুলে আসো। কেন স্কুলে আসো? আমরা সবাই জানি স্কুলে কেন আসি। আমরা মূলত স্কুলে আসি কি পড়াশোনা করার জন্য। পড়াশোনা করার ইংরেজি হচ্ছে স্টাডি। সো ইউ ক্যান সে উই কাম টু স্কুল টু স্টাডি। দ্যাটস সিম্পল অ্যান্ড দ্য আনসার উইল বি পারফেক্ট। ওকে, নেক্সট, if I say whom do you want? যদি কেউ বাড়িতে আসে তাহলে আমরা তাকে প্রশ্ন করি, অপরিচিত হলে আপনি কাকে যাচ্ছেন বা কাকে চান, তখন আমরা কি বলি? এই প্রশ্নটা করি, whom do you want? So answer will be very easy to make, I think. So you can say I want Mr. Rabbi or I want Mr. Wazid or whoever else, whoever you want, you can say here to make the answer. Okay, so dear students, I think you have understood the points and the questions and how you can make the answers. You have a lucid idea about this, I think. So I repeat again about these words. Step by step you have to memorize the meaning of the words, then you have to make interrogative sentences using these words. Okay, and you have to answer these questions by yourself. Okay, then if you don't know the meaning of these words, you will not be a perfect learner to make the right answer. So I think I have to learn at first the meaning of the words, and then we have to make questions as I written on the board, and you have to practice whatever. And first of all, you have to comprehend the passage from the question paper. You have to learn what is the passage saying, how is the passage dealing with, and who is dealing the passage, and who have been or who has been discussed in that passage, or what has been discussed in the passage. Then thus you can learn and you can write the answers of these questions. So thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.